where did university living and the thought of university living really come in from? Because obviously you had this stint abroad, you faced some challenges, there were some learnings, the market was ripe for something like this. So walk us through, how university living really began.
So I consider myself fortunate and blessed, and also chosen. Because I was introspecting why we been part of this and doing well and doing it very passionately.
Right.
And then I was trying to connect the dots.
Sure.
So when I moved from Meerut to Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
so first I stayed in Hoskas. Second I stayed in Ansals, DDA Flats, right opposite Ansals, around South X. Then I moved to GKS block. Then I started my corporate career or like my first job.
Right.
I moved to Gurgaon.
Of course.
Then I moved to Infosys, Sector 14. So I have changed places every year.
Right.
So I've known the pain of moving every year. Firstly, looking out for brokers or looking out for friends and us, And then when I moved to Nottingham, it was altogether a different ball game. So I believe there was we were chosen one, right? And I always say we are a category creator because we started in 2011, which is 15 years back.
Right.
So there was a company I started with my cousin called Unilogist back in 2011. And that's how my journey into higher education, my journey to global mobility
Right.
starts. It started wherein, I guess my cousin was running a consulting business.
Right.
And I went through this problem, and in fact I would, on camera I have no comms. This ideas was his. He conceived, I delivered. This is what I say, right? So from 2011 to 2015, we built up Unilogist.
Right.
And unfortunately, they were conflict of interest and I had to move out, or I was kicked out. So I started again 2015. I started University Living as theuniversityliving.com, and that's where I started a one-man show. But while all this, got lots of opportunities to interact with lots of students, not only Indian students, international students, interacted with lots of parents, did few hacks and campaigns and, build this category in India.
Right.
And when I launched University Living, so I started alone, got married, had no money, right? Because I was kicked out and my money was giving purposely very late,
Great.
So one man show, lots of carried through my wife, my friends and family who probably have not helped me with money, but that support that we are there.
Yeah.
Go ahead, don't worry, we are there. So then I started, and then after 6-7 months, that's where my current co-founder Mayank, and who used to be my roommate, when I was in Gautam Nagar, from 2007 to 2012.
Okay.
So when I went to Nottingham, so he was working here. When he came back, I was doing my masters, and he went to Northampton. So there are lots of incidents happen.
Right.
Now it seems natural.
Right.
That hum nahi karega to kaun karega, right? Because we gone through the problem. We have seen how tough it is to find accommodation and then settle it out, and that nuances, right? And then we also got the opportunity internationally.
Sure.
So this is how probably we got into this. It was I'm also a guy who go with the flow. I have lots of ideas, lots of strategies, but I'm like, okay, keep working hard, keep working the right thing, and just navigating the journey. So probably that's how University Living happened, and super grateful to everyone, right from my wife to my parents to my brother to even my cousin who pushed me out of my comfort zone to start again.